you put it on YouTube, then you will be locked in.
Back on them, back on them, back on them. Racking and I'm racking, Reekies. Stacking and I'm stacking. Flying high on
the old tape.
I got an alkaline coach, daddy named Joe, mama named Snoop. Who the hell am I? Me. I'm just Reekies rhyming on this fucking mic. Got it in my soul. Rhyme all night, fucking tell it in my blood too. Think when I rub you, understand, giving love through. Y'all don't understand, but check it, it's blue. Blue team is red, yellow, all fucking colors like a kaleidoscope. Red and shit. I just float on and on like Erica and shit. Get mad and start motherfucking running at you. Start coming at you. Start pulling these guns and throw every one of these bullets at you. And I'ma catch you like a basketball, like a motherfucking basketball. I run shit, say shit, just cause I wanna run shit and spray shit. Yeah, that's what. Flying over the Himalayas and shit, that's what. Y'all don't understand, and I don't understand. But who understand? Who gives a fuck who understand? Yeah, they say that's it. And I don't give a fuck, I gotta change it up a little bit. Cause I love. Yeah, and I feel it, and you feel it. I'm here to kill it, to send it like a ladder or something. But I'm the end villain. Yep, lick it and put a shit on it like a name and number and where it's from and who it's to and shit with a stamp. Y'all motherfuckers ain't doing nothing, shit with an amp. And then I boom on them out the trunk, 12s and 15s. 8s on the motherfucking side of the shit seems to be loud as fuck, but if you ain't listening, y'all motherfuckers really just sitting and not listening. I'm just listening. Check the motherfucking shine on them. Diamond in these motherfuckers. Motherfucking blind on them. Blind on them. Yeah, bird flocking. Motherfuckers stopping. For one.